In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google account without a Gmail address. It's a simple process that should take only about 5 minutes from start to finish. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to Google Search. Simply type create Gmail account into the search bar. Once the search results populate, you'll want to click on the link that says create a Gmail account. This will take you to the main page where account creation begins. When you're on the Gmail account creation page, look for the option to create account right at the top. Clicking on this is your gateway to accessing a plethora of Google services without necessarily needing a Gmail address. Here, Google will prompt you to select the purpose of your account. You might see options such as for my personal use or for work. Choose the one that suits you best. In this case, let's go with personal use. Now you'll be required to enter your first and last name. Google uses this information to personalize your experience across its services. After filling in your names, click Next to proceed. The next page requires some personal information, your birth date and gender. These details help verify your identity and make sure you meet eligibility requirements. Once entered, hit Next to continue. You'll then see an option that says use your existing email. Click on this to enter the email address you already have. By doing this, you link your existing email with Google services, enabling access without creating a new Gmail address. After entering your existing email, click Next again. Google will now send a verification code to your entered email address just to confirm that it's really you. Check your inbox for this code and go back to the Google account setup to enter it. If everything checks out with the verification, you'll be prompted with a few more steps to finalize your account. Make sure to follow these remaining prompts diligently. Sometimes this might include providing a phone number for recovery purposes or completing a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. And there you have it. You've just successfully created a Google account without having to set up a new Gmail address. This will now grant you access to many of Google's features and tools using your existing email. I hope you found this tutorial simple and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one.